Yeah, hello team. Yeah, to start this regarding the SQL awareness session, I want to give you some things. Okay, some rules you need to follow. Okay, as the first rule is just you need to mute yourself, and if you're having any doubts, you just message me in the chat box. After completion of this awareness, right, I will be clarifying your all doubts. Okay, yeah, let's get into as an a part. Just I'm presenting the screen. Okay, for your clear cut understanding. Yeah, before starting regarding the SQL, okay, means so many people don't know regarding the SQL over here. Okay, to start regarding the SQL, first I will be explaining you the who is BA and the things like that. Okay, guys, can you able to see the screen? Just message me in the chat box. Yeah. Before starting regarding the SQL, okay, first I want to explain you regarding the who is BA and the how he is related to us in a database or as like an SQL. Okay. Yeah, well, first I will be telling the who is the business analyst. Business analyst is a person who act as an intermediate between client and developing team. Okay. Means his roles and responsibilities is to gather the requirements and prepare the documents and give the support, guys. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us and giving the support, okay, to give the support what happening in the each phase in the SDLC, first we need to know it. Okay, SDLC, okay, software development lifecycle, guys. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a requirement gathering, we will be gather the requirements from the client by using some elicitation techniques. Okay, nothing but ED. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a requirement analysis part, he will be what he will be doing. He will be preparing the n number of documents. Okay, like BRD, SRS, and RTM, and use case specification documents, and minutes of meeting. Depends on the things, okay, etc. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a next part, when it's coming to us in a designs, okay, in the designs, the what happens, he will be creating some type of mock-ups, prototypes over here, okay, by using some Azure, okay, Azure RP or Basmic on n number of tools, okay. uh, in the companies, the mainly it is used by the designers is Sigma tool, okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a coding part, okay, by using some programming language and the framework, they will be creating a code and deploying the code. Okay, it's nothing but a program language, programming language with framework. Means what they are expecting, we don't know, guys. Okay, it depends on the companies frameworks. Okay, they will be deploying the code. Okay, and when it's coming to us in a testing, okay, and the testing, the what happens, guys, they will be a manual testers and the automation testers framework. When it's coming to us and we will be having a manual testers and automation testers, the manual testers will be nothing but they will be looking into us an application and they will be having a knowledge regarding the domain. Okay, they will be testing the application. Okay, means it's nothing but they will be preparing a TCD document mainly. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us an Allah, it's nothing but a UAD. Okay, yeah, 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 when it's coming to us an UAD, here the BA is involved. Okay, and he will be performing the testing regarding the checking of work again in every phase is happened or not. How he will be checking? By using some RTM document and test case document. Okay, he will be checking it again, or else we it depends on the companies, n number of documents are used in the UAT. Okay. If the clients give you the approval towards a sign off, right, you will be signing off. Or else if you find any bugs or the things like that, you will be cross checking it and you will be resolving that all bugs by using a team. Okay. By using it is in a regarding towards in a coding within a coders, you will be doing this thing. Yeah, when it's coming towards in a design works, uh, you will be according to changing according towards in a designs. If there is any requirement in the document changes, you will be also changing in the document changes also. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming towards a law, next is nothing but a deployment. Okay. If the client's given you the permission to deploy the code, okay, this deploying is code is done by the client server management. Okay. The client people will be doing these things. Or else if we are in the company, we will be deploying this code. Okay. Means not means we, means we are having like an a database administrators and the network admins. They will be also doing this all type of things. Okay. And coders also will be doing these things. Okay. Full stack coders. Yeah, when it's coming towards a maintenance. Okay. Yeah, maintenance is nothing but an a, yeah, to given a support regarding the project. Okay. After completion of project, means they will be having an agreements in the starting itself. Okay. They will be on that agreements and they will be doing these things. Okay. Maintenance, it will be regarding in the, it depends on the agreement what they are maintaining over there. Mainly it's 2 or 3 years or else more than it. Okay. 3 years or more than it, then it means nothing but giving a support only. Okay. Support. Yeah, this is regarding the BA. Okay. Means how the BA is related towards an a SQL or the things we'll be discussing in the another document. Okay. Guys, you can able to see here the points, right? Yeah, I will be clarifying your all doubts at the last itself. Okay. Mm, yeah, when it's coming towards an a, before going into as an a SQL, okay, I want to explain you regarding the database. Okay. The database is nothing but the mm, storage of data where we can able to store the data or retrieve the data. Okay. To retrieve this type of data and to understand the how the concept it will be there, I will be explaining regarding the three-tier architecture first. Okay. Three tiers is nothing but a presentation layer, business logic layer, and database layer. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming towards a presentation layer, it's considered like an screens and pages. Okay. What you can able to see in the application. Okay. It comes under the presentation layer. Yeah, when it's coming towards a business logic layer, business logic layer is nothing but the uh, PL and the framework. It's a nothing but a programming language and the framework. Yeah, when it's coming towards a frameworks, right? It's a nothing but a Django or else like a Spring Boot. It's totally comes like a framework. The developers will be doing these things. Okay. By using so many programming languages, like nothing but a Java, Python, .NET. These are the things. Okay. Means when it's coming to us in a business logic layer, they will be develop the code. Okay. And they will be deploying the code. Okay. Developing the code is nothing but by using some programming language and they are deploying the code in the database. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming towards an year, three tires. Okay. What the thing I've been told towards you, here you can able to see it. Presentation layer means nothing but we can able to see the pages over here. Yeah, when it's coming towards an year, it's in a coding part. Yeah, when it's coming towards a database, it's nothing but it is data is stored over here like that. Means to clear cutly explain regarding this point, first go through as a presentation layer. Okay. That's a nothing but just take like uh, login page. Okay. In the login page we are having a user ID and the password. Okay. If you enter with a valid user ID, right, you will be navigating towards the next stages. Okay, it's nothing but getting the permissions from the database and from the coding. Okay, it is nothing but the mm, authorization authentication. Okay, yeah, when it's coming towards an year, if you enter the valid credentials, you will be moving towards the next pages, right? If you are entering the wrong inputs, wrong data, what happens? You will be getting an error messages, right? This is a proof for the business logic layer exists over here. Invalid data is entering over here, like that. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us, and every time I'm telling the data, what is data? Data is nothing but a collection of information. Okay, means nothing but you can able to see here regarding the user ID and the password, right? Either your user ID and the password, how many times he has been logged in, and everything, it is stored in the database. Okay, that's the reason the data is nothing but a collection of information. Okay, that's to explain in the theoretical way we have been mentioned it over here. Okay, like that. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a database is nothing but in a storing of the data only, but in the systematic order. Okay, it's nothing but in a storing the data in the dbbms and rdbms. Regarding these points I will be discussing in the slides. Okay, when it's coming towards a purpose of database. Okay, means what is a purpose of database? We can able to store the data and we can able to retrieve the data. That's the thing we can able to do it. It is used to organize the data and make it available in a convenient form in the purpose of analysis purpose. Means we can able to maintain this thing. They mention in the different format over here. That's it. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a data modeling, uh, I have been told you systematic way, right? Means and how the data will be stored. Okay, means the data will be stored in the four types. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a hierarchical, it's nothing but one data is stored in this format. Inside this format it will be there like that. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a mainly, okay, it is stored in the relational model and tabular form. Okay, it's nothing but what we have been seeing over here. It is totally data is stored in the table format. Okay, this is when it's coming to us in this is types, right? We will be discussing in our PPT. And to explain regarding the data types, I will be explaining you the part. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a data type is considered like just consider like int. Okay, int is nothing but an integer. Okay, it should allow only the integers only, nothing but only the numbers. That's the reason we are giving like an int for the id. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a char is nothing but a characters. Okay, we can able to store the n number of data in the char. Okay, but it should only save in the characters only, a to z only. Okay, and it should be in the uh, single quotes over here like an a ravi over here. Here when it's coming towards this one, right, 10, or it's nothing but a size. Okay, yeah, when it's coming towards a varchar is nothing but it's a combination of char and numerical values and special characters also. Okay, we can able to mention it over here. Yeah, when it's coming towards in a date format, it is nothing but the uh, year, month, and date. That's it. Okay, this is in a format over here. Yeah, let's get into us on our PPT. Yeah, hello guys, let's get into us an SQL. Yeah, yeah, when it's coming to us an SQL, no guys, SQL is nothing but a structured query language. What we have been told, it's an just stands for the thing. Yeah, when it's coming to us and how it is ANSI certified thing in 1986 they have been mentioned, and the ISO certified in 1987. Yeah, when it's coming to us an SQL is nothing but a plugin guys for the database. Okay, when it's coming to us it's not a language. It is a language but it's not a database. Okay, they have been mentioned it over here. Hmm? There's a point. Means how it is related to BA. Okay. Means when it's coming to us in a BA, no, guys, just consider like anything. You are going into us in a company. Okay. You have been joined in a company. uh, the admin or the database administrator who have been absent on the things. Just consider like that. Okay, means to generate the reports and the things, the database administrator and the data analyst will be taking care of it. Okay, means they're an absence. They will be just giving you the select command, what the code they need to run. Okay, to run that code they will be just telling you the thing. Okay, to run the code, that's it. They have just specified this totally a content like this over here, like in a specific conversation. Okay, like in a scenario they have been explained over here. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us nothing, uh, we are using ssms. Okay, it's a nothing but a dummy server of sql. Okay, that's the thing they have been mentioned it over here. Total content. Mm. Yeah, when it's coming to us, what is a data type, purpose of data types, I've been explained you. I will be explaining you again with an example over here. It's like an art disk. They given the example over here like this. Okay. Mm. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a database, it's nothing but a collection of data. Okay, means it's nothing but where the date, it is nothing like a reservoir. Okay, storing of data means when it's coming to us in a computers where the data is stored, the data is stored in the hard disk. What, that's the thing they want to convey over here. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a purpose, it's nothing but we can able to save the data and retrieve the data. It is in a purpose of the thing. Okay, and we can able to save the data also. It is in a, it is to organize the data and make convenient form for the viewers and analyzing purpose. For the analyzing also, we will be using this data. Means, okay. And when it's coming to us in a DBMS and RDBMS, we'll be discussing in the further slides. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a SQL fundamentals, okay. Uh, let's get understand regarding the crude. Okay, crude is nothing but a create, uh, read, update, and delete. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a how the business analyst is involved in this group. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a creation, we'll be not at all creating the things. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a reading, we'll be having an access to reading. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us an update, we'll be not having any do the changes in the coding. Okay, in the database we'll be not having an option over here. To delete this database also we are not having an option. Okay, this all things will be done by the uh, database administrators and the data analyst and the, in some cases of the full stack developers. Okay, they will be also, they will be only interacting with the databases. Mainly a data administrator only will be involving over here. Okay, means he will be only doing these things. And yeah, when it's coming to us in a companies, right, the client is also not having an access on the database. Okay, means that much the power is there for the database administrator. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a read. Okay, it's nothing but an it's an a total project is handled by us guys. Okay, to handle the things how the we can able to see the data and we can able to retrieve the data. Then when it's coming to us and where the fault is coming, how to handle that current problems and overcome that problems. Okay, we'll be specific, we need to see in the database. Okay, means where the problem is coming. Okay, at that moment, uh, the database administrator will be giving an access to read. Okay, means when it's coming to us and read, no guys, readable knowledge is required. Means and how the data is linked within a one table to another table. Okay, like a db schema. Okay, regarding the db schema I will be explaining you at the last. Okay, we are having an a ppt for it. Mm, yeah, when it's coming to us in a dbms and rdbms. Okay, we can able to say the things. It's nothing but in a it's in a two types of data where the data is stored. Okay, like an you can able to consider like an a reservoir. Okay, like an a store. Okay, collection of data where it's gonna happen. uh just consider like an over here. dbms is nothing but in a database management system. It is stored in the file format. Okay, yeah, when it's coming towards an rdbms, it's nothing but an we can able to give the relationships between them. Okay, that's the reason it is called as an a rdbms. It is stored in the table form. Okay, data is stored in the table form. When it's coming to us in a hierarchical, I've been explained you how the data will be saved in the folder into us in a folders. Means like in a flow. That's the thing. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a rdbms, okay, it is stored in the primary key and the foreign key. Okay, regarding the primary key and the foreign key, I will be explaining you in the further slides. uh, the no relationships can be given in the between the tables because the data is stored in the files format. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a rdbms based we can able to give the relationships by using a primary key and the foreign key. And here when it's coming to us an rdbms, right, only multiple users can able to do the things. Okay, means if they give the access, right, we can able to do in the rdbms. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a dbbms, no guys, it's nothing but an only a single user need to only do. Okay, he will be only having an access. He cannot able to give the access to another person also. Okay, when it's coming to us in a DBBMS, it's nothing but an Excel file format, what I have been told you. In the file format, and we'll be calling it as an XML and etc. things. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us an RDBMS, my SQL and then SQL Server and Oracle and etc. These are the examples for the RDBMS. Okay. Mm, what the SQL can do, that's the thing that I've been mentioned it over here. Mm, yeah, when it's coming to us an a I need to explain regarding the table first. Okay. In this table, what it is consist. Okay. It is consist regarding the ID, name, state, and the pin code. Right now, guys. Means they have been entered some data over here. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a thus vertical things, we'll be calling it as in a rows. When it's coming to us in a horizontal things, we'll be calling it as in a fields, nothing but in a columns. Okay. That's the thing I have been specified over here. Mm, yeah, when it's coming to us an a what is a primary key and the foreign key, I will be explaining you. Yeah, just consider like in a two tables over here. Thus items and the customers. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us an item is on a table, right? Uh, which is an a unique key over here. Okay, means an ID is an a unique key. The name can be different and the description can be different, but the ID is same. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a customer ID. Okay, it's a nothing but a customers are this different people. Okay, that's the reason they have been specified this part. Uh, to explain regarding the primary key, right? I want to explain you regarding the difference between the unique and the primary key. Unique is nothing but in a table we are having so many unique things like just consider like in this table, um, item name. Okay, when it's coming to us in a camera which is belongs to us in a Sony company and the Sony company mail ID. Okay, and when it's coming to us in a same brand, if it is mixing the things, right, at that moment we are having an IDs over here same. ID is same over here, and the email ID of a company is also the unique thing. Okay, to clarify the things, okay, in the table we need to take any unique one. Okay, we need to select any one. Okay, at that moment the one is called as a primary key. Okay, in this things, this two item ID and the customer ID is a primary key in the another table. It's a nothing but a sales table. Okay, this in this table it's a primary key, right? Primary is nothing but enough only for the sum time. Okay, yeah, when it's coming towards a foreign key, it is nothing but separated from the things. Okay, separated from the table means item ID is separated over here from this table, they have been brought it over here. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a customer ID, they have been brought it this IDs from this thing over here. uh Explain this format. Okay, means ID sale one. Okay, means what the sales has been gone, means a customer item ID one is nothing but a camera. Yeah, when it's coming to us a Smith. Okay, he's belongs to us this person. He have been buyed regarding the three cameras. Okay, quantity is three. Okay, arjana worth of 30,000 is totally buyed regarding the 90,000 rupees. Okay, like that. They have been specified the points like this over here. Mm, let's get into as an SQL commands. To explain regarding the SQL commands, I want to explain you regarding the how the SQL can what the SQL can do it. Okay. Mm, SQL execution. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us an SQL, no guys, the SQL can execute the query against a database and retrieve the data from the database and create the records, or else they can insert the records and update the records and delete the records and create a new database. Okay, and create the new table in the database, and the stored procedure can be done in the SQL. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a, we can able to create a views in the database, and we can able to set the permissions on the table and regarding the procedure and the views. Okay, this is the things we can able to do by using an SQL. Before getting into as an SQL commands, I've been explained you regarding the points what the SQL can do it. Okay, before getting into as an a part, these are the we are having a five. Okay, that we have been mentioned here four. Okay, SQL commands. uh, First, the thing DDL is nothing but a data definition language. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us, it's consists regarding the create, alter, and drop. Okay. These are the things we have been mentioned to to get like a theoretical part. Okay. Uh, Create is nothing but creating a table, or else creating a database like that. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us an alter is nothing but modifying the data in the existing table, like a adding the rows, or else like or deleting the things, or modifying the columns in the existing table. Yeah, when it's coming towards a drop is nothing but deleting the database. Okay. Yeah, if coming towards if the project has been means it has been collapsed, it has been risk. Okay, at that moment there is no data is stored. At that moment they will be removing the tables. Okay, totally a things. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a rename is nothing but just changing the part, like uh, here we can able to see the customers, right? We can customer, right? We can able to add regarding the customers. That's the thing. We can able to rename the things, like for the table and the columns also. And when it's coming to us in a trunket, mm, yeah, here you can able to see the table right now, guys. The records will be deleted. Okay, but the structure remains same. Means an ID, name, state, and the city and the pin will be remains constant, will be same, and but this data will be deleted. And when it's coming, means this all operations will be done by the database administrator only. Okay, and in case of data analyst and the full stack developers also, mainly a database person will be doing these things. When it's coming towards the comments, no guys, it's a nothing but a muting of code. What is a muting of code? I will be explaining you in the SQL. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a DQL. DQL is nothing but a data query language. Okay. Means are nothing but by using the select commands, they will be writing the n number of queries. Okay. To run that queries, it will be just telling to us. Okay. To run these things and present in terms of client, to give to us on a client. Okay. That's the thing will be happening in the select command. As a business analyst, we use this feature for the searching or desired data if required or asked. Okay, means the query will be given by the database administrators only. The no BA is involved over here. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a DML is nothing but a data manipulation language. Okay, but nothing but to change the existing tables like that. Okay, once first is a nothing but an insert. uh Adding the records is nothing but an insert command. Yeah, when it's coming to us an update, It is nothing but a modifying the existing records, like a nothing but a customer to customers, and regarding their names and their records like that. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a delete, delete is nothing. It is used for the to delete the specific column, guys. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a merge, merge is nothing but uh, adding the things, guys. That's a nothing but by using the uh, joins, they will be just merging the things. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a call, call is nothing but the mm, means nothing but just we will be doing the execute over there. Okay, it will be interlinked within a database, and the data will be flushed to us. Okay, that is nothing but a call, guys. I will be explaining you in the SQL. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us an explain plan. Okay, means how the data need to be stored, and they will be explaining this plan. Okay, when it's coming to us in a log table. Mm, if the project has been went live, okay, means we will be for the testing purpose, we will be maintaining this the records regarding the uh, valid credentials and invalid credentials and things we'll be maintaining. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a log table, no, guys, the real-time data will be stored in the database. Okay, means we it is released into us in a market is nothing but that table is locked. We can't able to do anything. We can't able to change any modify the things also. It should be modified by the persons itself. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a DCL, guys. Yeah, DCL is nothing but the data control language. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us in a controlling, the control is given by the database administrator. It is nothing but a grant and revoke. Grant is nothing but giving the permissions. Revoke is nothing but taking the permissions again. Okay, means reverting back means is taking the permission. Means when it's coming to us in a I've been explained to you, we will be having only to view the things. Okay, means database administrator will be only give us a permission to look into us and things. Okay, and he will be taking the access also from us. He will be giving regarding the 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, like that, and he will be reverting that access again. It's a nothing but taking the permissions again from our side. Mm, this how the SQL screen looks like when you open the thing. And when it's coming to us anything, you need to click on the connect, and this blue part is called as Canva, and these things are called as uh, data మొత్తం total like in a project, guys. This is the DB schema, guys. I want to explain you regarding these points. When it's coming to us in a just take like in a Nokri. Okay, means when it's coming to us in a Nokri, no, guys, uh, the total data is stored in the database. Okay, Nokri database. Total things have been saved in this table. This is in a main table. Okay, this are nothing but tables. Okay, based on like ID employees. These are the tables. These are the tables. These are the tables. These are the tables. They will be giving a relationships by using a primary key and the foreign key, guys. What are the primary keys and the foreign keys? uh, PK is nothing but a primary key, guys. When it's coming to us, an FK is nothing but a foreign keys. Okay, means it is related towards this table, and this table is related to this table. They're giving like a communication between them, and they're giving like FK and the PK for the explanation regarding these points. Just look into towards this thing. Okay. Mm, these are the commands. That's the thing. Let's get into as an SQL, guys. Guys, can you able to see the screen? Just message me in the chat box. Yes. Yeah, okay, Divya. This is nothing but an SQL, guys. We need to just click on this connect part. This flow part, what I've been told you, it is called as an a Canva. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming towards anything, this totally it's nothing but an SQL records. When it's coming towards an year database, I've been told you it's nothing but a collection of data. Once I want to create a table over here with a name of an a COPD students. COEPD students. Just I'm clicking on it. Okay. Just click on the plus icon over here, and here you can able to see the COPD students. Okay. Just right click it over here and run new query. We need to write a query over here. To write regarding the query, I will be want to explain you regarding the how to create a table first. Okay. Create table, table name, uh, it's nothing but a name, data type. Okay, it's nothing but a field name and data type. Okay, for your clear cut understanding, I'm just writing like this. Okay, guys, this is nothing but we can able to write regarding the n number of things over here. Same things we can able to maintain like in a dot, etc. Okay, this is nothing but a syntax, guys. To explain regarding this first, regarding the what is a data type. Okay, I've been explained you, but I'm explaining you again over here. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a data type, it is nothing but an a uh, for the student. Okay, I need to enter the data in nothing but in a numerical format, like an ID, like in numbers and their names and their mail IDs. Okay, student details just consider like that. Okay, means here I will be writing regarding the var okay, and I will be writing regarding the size also over here. Size we can able to mention regarding the 255 or the more also. Okay, means it is in a fixed one, they will be maintaining these things. Yeah, when it's coming towards the student details can be entered. Okay, in only in the character format. It's a nothing but a char. I will be mentioning in the 255 again. Okay, it's on a size, guys. That's it. Yeah, when it's coming towards the next part, I want to enter the student data, student details only in the ID formats itself. It's a nothing but an integer. Okay, details, nothing but an in the int I want to enter. Okay, this is nothing but an data types, guys. And when it's coming towards a date also, we can able to mention like an a year, month, and date. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, and when it's coming towards an year, while we are entering the details over here, right, in the varchar or the char, we need to enter the data in the single quotes. Okay, in the single quotes we need to enter in this middle of the thing, we need to enter the data. Okay, let's get into as a part. Hmm? Create table, table name I want to give regarding the COPD students. I want to give regarding the student ID first. CS ID. Okay, ID. I will be giving regarding only regarding the int right now because I need the data only in the int format only. And the next thing what I want to give you, nothing but an CS student, CS, sorry, CS student name. I want to give regarding the varchar. Okay, I want to specify the size also over here. This is nothing but an if I run the square this command now guys, the table is created. Okay, to check the table it is created or not, I will be using a select command over here. Okay, select star. Star is nothing but an all guys from table name is nothing but an a COED. See, we are getting in a suggestions over here, but we need to run this query first. Okay, just copying this thing. Means if I run this one now guys, the table does not exist because I didn't create it first. Just see it over here. It is getting like an error message over here. Okay, if I run this one right now, right, it will be executing. The down will be executing right now. See it. Command successfully. Okay, completed successfully. Okay, means I am running this command right now. Down one. Okay, see the uh, table is created over here. Okay. Mm, I want to insert some data inside it. Okay. That's the reason insert into table name, insert into table name as nothing but an a COE direct. Here I can able to get like a suggestions over here. Values. Okay. I can able to enter the n number of values over here. Okay. Means one comma. I've been told you know guys, and the data need to be entered in the this format only for the varchar or the cars like this. I've been explained you in the middle we need to write these things, right? Means see the what happening it over here. If I'll be entering the data or something like Anil. Okay, just see. I'm getting an error over here. If I run this command, what happens to just see. It will be getting a pop-up message. Okay, we need to decode. See, it should be entered in the single quotes only. Okay, it is specifying it over here. Just I will be writing in this thing. See, the error has been gone. Okay, means I want to create regarding the n number of records. Okay. I'm just changing the names guys over here, like some things like Sai, Kumar, Venkat, and Jyoti. Yeah. I want to enter the name, nothing but like an Rishi. Okay. Just if I run till year no guys, the records will be created as from the first itself. If I run from the starting itself, right? That duplicates record will be created. Okay, just see it. Just I'm clicking on the execute. This rules have been affected successfully. How to check it? I'm just running this code again. See, records has been created successfully. This record we have been didn't enter the first. We didn't run it. Okay, just I'm running it again right now. Sorry, you affected successfully. Just triple tap it and execute. Okay, see, Anil is come at the last. Okay, to avoid this thing, to avoid the duplicates, we will be, if I run one more time now guys, the duplicates will be created one more time. Just see it. This many row will be it again, and we need to run again. See, this many records has been created successfully again. Okay, duplicate records. Hmm. Yeah, when it's coming towards the next part, how to avoid this one? Okay, by using a distinct keyword. Select a star from select distinct. We can able to mention like that. Distinct. I think the spelling is wrong, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. I'm getting a call. See, guys. Hmm. Distinct from table. I want to enter regarding this one. Okay. If I click on just cursor is over there. If I enter the thing over here, right, I can able to get like in a suggestions over here. I will be just taking this one, double tapping, and I will be running this one. Just see it. Okay, thus all duplicates will be removed. See, duplicates has been removed successfully. Yeah, when it's coming towards an our thing, no guys. uh in reality, the duplicates will be not at all created. Okay, to avoid it, we'll be having regarding the primary key and the foreign keys. Okay, uh, I've been explained you primary key. Okay, it's nothing but an unique key in the table. If we are selecting anyone, right, it is called as an unique one. We are identifying it is nothing but among them we are selecting any unique keys. Okay, we need to take only one. Okay, at that moment we will be calling it as a primary key. That that primary key is separated in the another table. Okay, what the data we want, we will be bringing the data. Okay, this primary key will be acting as a foreign key in the another table. Okay, that is nothing but an fk. That's nothing but a foreign key. By using the joins, okay, what data they want, they will be bringing the data. Okay, by using the joins. Mm, just I will be explaining you regarding the tables. Okay. Mhm. See guys, yeah, when it's coming towards a tables over here, for the orders have been taken over here. Okay, just I will be running the code. See it. this is an one table. Okay, here order int is acting like a primary key. Okay, and order date is this, and when it's coming to us an a delivery date is this. Okay, yeah, when it's coming to us an year, here it is nothing but an a create table products are the things, and the product id are the primary keys. Okay, and when it's coming to us in a product name, it is nothing but an a varchar they need to enter in the 25 letters itself. Okay, and the order id is reference towards this order id. Okay, means this key is acting as an a primary key in this table and the foreign key in this table. Okay, just I'm running this one also. See, this two have been done, right? Once now I will be showing you the thing. Just I will be running the thing and I will be showing the relationship of it is be going on. See, order ID, order date, and the thing. Yeah, when it's coming to as an order ID, it is an a primary key. It is acting as an a foreign key in the another table. This is an a foreign key. Oh yeah. See the difference over here. This is nothing but an a primary key and the foreign key. Okay. Here we can able to see it. Keys will be mentioning it over here. In the tables, we'll be having regarding the orders. See here. Here we are having an a keys. Primary key orders. Okay. Yeah, when it's coming to us in a product. Okay, here it is acting as a foreign key. Okay, see guys, just click on the tables in the what are the tables you want. Click on the keys, how the keys are related to here. Primary key is represented in the bold, and the foreign key is represented in the light. Okay, see, this is an regarding the keys, guys. Mm, that's the thing. Okay, this is regarding the total SQL. Okay,